starring role kaagad na si Christopher De Leon. But ito yung Wanted Perfect Mother. Na para ako, huh? Are you sure? And after that, yun, wala na. The rest is history. Yun na, nag-umpisa na doon. But, I call myself kasi, reluctant actress ako talaga eh. Hindi, kasi parang, ngayon ko palang actually na-enjoy gumawa ng pelikula. I remember before, every time ako gagawa ng pelikula, nasa-stress na ako.
Nasa-stress again.
Nasa-stress na naman ako.
Mo are the premier leading men of the Philippines. Binaga. And now, of course, Piolo. How do you feel about that? How do you feel
Hindi ako
about
nahihiyo.
that? Okay, quick description, men. Let's start with the Christopher.
Parang nahiya. Ang ganda ng kamay niya. Yun yung napansin ko talaga sa kanya. Ang ganda ng kamay niya at ang ganda ng paa niya. And he's such a sweet guy. Nung first time kaming magkasama sa Wanted Perfect Mother, pati kami sandwich. He's very sweet. He's such a sweet guy.
Aga mo lang.
Si Aga, yun, parang love team ko.
Love? Bagets na bagets.
Love team talaga kami ni Aga. Kasi yung una naming pelikula, talagang nagkagusto dun sa movie na yun. Parang pinapair, nakakatawa naman. Tapos, the second movie also did very, 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 very well. Favorite kong, favorite trabaho din. Kasi, madaming kwento yun eh. Ang dami-daming, screen play.
Wow.
Pero, yun, gusto ko din katrabaho si Aga.
How about the bad boy, Robin Padilla?
Parang gusto mo nang pakamatay sa sobrang tension na binibigay niya sa'yo at lahat-lahat na. But nakakatuwa din siya. The last film that we did together, I got to know him more and we got closer a little bit. So, I had a great time working with him. Second time.
And of course, you're leading man now. Papa P, Piolo
Super ko siyang pinagsamantalaan.
Super. Ito na ba yung pinaka-super?
Ay, lahat ng pagkakataon.
Words to describe your leading man, Piolo.
Yung first impression ko talaga sa kanya, parang mabait tong batang.
Bata?
Oo, mabait talaga siya. Mabait-bait na talaga. He is very sweet, very thoughtful, and very generous. Not to mention really handsome.
And not to mention really handsome.
Really handsome, super handsome.
It helped, of course, that you got to work together before FNK. And then, how was it different working together now para sa pelikula?
Mas iba ngayon kasi nga we're together almost every day, and we were shooting out of town, Zambales. So talagang, pag buka pa lang na mata mo, nandiyan na si Piolo Pascual, parang, ang saya.
No stress yan.
Ay, walang stress.
No stress yan.
Makita mo pa lang si Papa P, parang, Papa P, hello. Parang ang saya na ng, ng araw mo. But, sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Actually, kaya ako gusto gumawa ulit ng pelikula dahil sa pelikulang to. Dahil, hindi nga, parang sobra kong na-enjoy yung... Although, I medyo had a hard time kasi I suffer from migraine, pag may araw, medyo kalabang ko yung araw. But, nevertheless, ang saya-saya-saya nung set namin.
With Direct Joy.
Yes, and Piolo is such a joy to work with. And of course, si Joyce, this is my 4th film with her, and she's been my friend, for how many years, So talagang ang saya-saya namin sa set talaga. Kain kami ng kain.
Wow!
Wala kaming ginawa kundi kumain. So I'm gonna miss it actually.
And aside from all those leading men, meron ka pa pang dream leading man na local actor?
Madami pa akong hindi nakakatrabaho, syempre. So, I'm just really very happy that finally, itong project with Piolo, natupad. Kasi like 3 years in the making.
Yes, at saka much anticipated
Oo.
team up.
Akala nga ng madami hindi na matutuloy kasi nga parang ang tagal na eh. Pero pinili talaga namin ni Piolo. Pinili talaga namin kasi we wanted to work together again. Parang we just wanted to do a movie together. And every time we would see each other, talagang, Gretch, kailan ba tayo? Sabi ko, hindi ko alam eh. And finally, it's here. And it's such a, we have a beautiful story. And for the first time, siguro ito yung pinaka-daring movie ko ever.
Yes, we saw all of the clips in the news of the kissing scenes and the stuff like that.
Nakachinelas lang ako dito. Hindi. Daring in a way na very mature yung role. I'm playing a mother role for the first time. Tapos medyo sexy ng konti. Actually, sexy talaga siya ng konti.
Tsaka puro beach, yung scenes
Puro beach. Ang ganda-ganda ng Sambales. Ang ganda-ganda. Very, ang ganda-ganda niya sa screen. Ganda-ganda talaga.
Alright, how about Hollywood? Do you have any, if ever lang given a chance to work with someone na acting abroad?
Okay na ako. Nakatrabaho ko na si Papa P.
Pwede. Ganong level na
Ganong level. Okay na ako.
You sure don't want to miss out on this coming part. It's time to get up close and personal with the real Miss Regine Velasquez.
I want somebody who's romantic. Meron akong hinahanap na pag hindi ko mahanap, kahit meron nasa harap ko, hindi ko makikita kung sino yung nasa harap ko. So meron akong hinahanap na iba. I want to settle down one day.
Everything you've been dying to ask her, we did. That's next, so stick around. Vlog will be right back.